Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change voice on Messenger call. So if you want to prank your friends on or sound like a robot or cartoon on a Messenger call, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can change your voice during Messenger calls. And let's just get started. First, for a quick note, Messenger itself doesn't currently have built-in voice effects during live calls, but you can still do it easily using a free voice changer app that works with your microphone. So there are some of the top voice changer apps that work with great Messenger, for Android, you can use voice changer with effects by Bayvex, Magical, or Voice Mode. But if you are an iPhone user, you can use the voice changer plus celebrity voice changer or voice mode for iOS. So you can just go to the Play Store or App Store and just download one of those from the Play Store and follow the next steps. So let's just download the app first. Okay, as you guys can see here, there are lots of apps. I'm going to just use this one. Now you can just install it on your device and wait. Okay, so once the app is installed, you can just open it and then you can just grant microphone access from this app. So allow access, and now you can just choose your desired voice. Here let's just tap on the microphone icon first, and then you can just start talking like this and then click on stop. And now you can just here choose the voice effect. Let's say I'm going to go with B. Let's start lion. Okay, so once you do that, after that you can just go back to the Messenger apps, this one, and then choose the account that you want to call and tap on this call or voice chat options. And after that, when you make the Messenger call through the app, you can just your voice will be transformed, but you need to play the audio first. So once you finish recording your voice, you can start your Messenger call through the app, and boom, you're now speaking in a completely different voice. So it's perfect for pranks or just having fun with friends. And that's how you can change your voice on Messenger calls. If you like this trick, hit the like button, subscribe for more fun hacks, and comment which voice effect you try first. Also, don't forget to click on the thanks. Bye!